So when making a bevel cut, all you have to do is adjust the lever at the back to the degrees that you need. So say it's a 45, you just come on the back side of it and tilt the saw to 45 degrees. Tighten the lever back. And this is how you make a bevel cut. One thing when making the bevel cut is making sure that this fence is adjusted back far enough so that as you're making your cut, you're not going to be cutting through the fence. And if you're having trouble keeping the material flat across the table of the miter saw, you can adjust this material support up, and then now you have it flat across the table. So again, just like cutting, make sure you keep your hands back, make sure that the fence is back far enough so that you're not going to accidentally cut into it. And this is how you make a 45-degree bevel cut. As well, we'll show you how to make an angle cut. So, put your miter saw back in the 90-degree position, and you can adjust. Sometimes it's a pull lever. In this case, the handle is twist. So you can go either direction, all the way up to 45 degrees. And in this direction, you can actually get up to over 50 degrees. So here, we'll just show you how to do a 45. Making sure your material is supported. And you won't be able to just cut straight down, obviously, as the length on a 45-degree cut will be longer, so you do need to adjust your sliding rails so that they're loose. Make sure your piece is on the mark, and you can slide the saw back, making sure that it stays perfectly with your line, and you can start your cut. And that's how you can make your angle cuts and bevel cuts.